student. Today our topic is haloalkane and haloarenes. Okay, so first we talk about the haloalkane. What is haloalkane? Okay, haloalkane is derived from two words, halo and alkane. Okay, the first things come in our mind is what is alkane. So alkane is the hydrocarbon which is made up of carbon and hydrogen only. Okay, hydrocarbon can be classified into three parts: saturated hydrocarbon, unsaturated hydrocarbon, and aromatic hydrocarbon. What is saturated hydrocarbon? Saturated hydrocarbon means which contain carbon-carbon bond, which is called alkane. Okay, alkane is also known as paraffins. Alkanes having general formula CnH2n plus 2, where N stand for number of carbon atom, 2n plus 2 stand for number of hydrogen atom. Example, if we put N is equal to 1, so C1H 2 into 1 2 plus 2 CH4, which is called methane. If we put N is equal to 2, C2H 2 into 2 plus 2 6 C2H6, which is called ethane. If we put N is equal to 3, C3H8, which is called propane. Then butane, C4H10, pentane, hexane, septate, heptane, octane, nonane, which is all these are alkane. Okay, next category is unsaturated hydrocarbon. What is unsaturated hydrocarbon? Which contain carbon-carbon double bond and carbon-carbon triple bond. Carbon-carbon double bond is called alkene and carbon-carbon triple bond is called alkyne. Next category is aromatic hydrocarbon. Aromatic hydrocarbon is also called arene. The chapter name which is haloarene, so we know about what is arene. So aromatic hydrocarbon is known as arene, which contain aromatic ring called benzene. Okay, so we move on the chapter name haloalkane. Okay, so haloalkane means when the hydrogen atom of the hydrocarbon are replaced by halogen atom, then it is called haloalkane. Okay, example CH4. Here it is methane. When this hydrogen atom is replaced by X here is halogen, is replaced by halogen, then this compound is known as haloalkane or alkyl halide. Alkyl means alkyl when methane, when alkane से जब हम alkane से हाइड्रोजन हटाते हैं तो हमें alkyl मिलता है, तो सो alkyl halide. Same as for haloarenes, when the hydrogen atom of sp2 carbon atom are replaced by halogen, then we have aryl halide or haloarenes. Okay, next, I think hope you understand what is haloalkane and haloarenes. Next is classification. So we classified on the basis of number of halogen group attached. For one halogen group attached we use mono, for two halogen group attached we use di, and for three halogen group attached we use tri. Let's see example, say C2H5X. Here one halogen group is attached, so it is called mono. One के लिए mono, तो mono haloalkane. Two halogen group is attached here, so di haloalkane. In this benzene ring one halo group is attached, so mono halo, it is क्या arene, mono haloarenes. Here two halogen group is attached, so di halo, then it is called क्या arene, di haloarenes. Okay, next classification on the basis of the compound containing sp3 carbon X bond, where X is the fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. So first is alkyl halide. Okay, when this CX bond is attached to the one carbon atom, one alkyl group, it is called primary alkyl halide. When this CX bond is attached to two alkyl group, then it is called secondary alkyl halide. And the third one is when this CX bond is attached to three carbon atom, 1 2 3, that is it is called tertiary alkyl halide. Okay, next we move on allylic halide. Allylic halide means क्या होता है? Halogen atom attached to the sp3 carbon atom next to double bond. Means जब ये halogen atom double bond के next sp3 carbon से attached होगा, हम उसे क्या कहेंगे? Allylic halides. So halogen atom attached to the sp3 carbon atom next to double bond के next carbon पे जो भी halogen attached होगा उसे हम allylic halide कहते हैं. Here double bonded carbon, उसके next carbon पे halogen attached है, so it is allylic halide. Okay, next is benzylic halide. What do we mean by benzylic halide? Means halogen atom attached to sp3 hybridized atom next to the aromatic ring. ये aromatic ring है, उससे अगर हेलोजन एटम sp3 हाइब्रिडाइज्ड एट कार्बन एटम से अटैच्ड है जो बेंजीन रिंग के नेक्स्ट बेंजीन रिंग के है, उसको हम बेंजाइलिक हैलाइड कहते हैं. मतलब बेंजीन से जुड़े कार्बन पे अगर हेलोजन एटम अटैच्ड है तो उसे बेंजाइलिक हैलाइड कहते हैं. नेक्स्ट क्लासिफिकेशन ऑन द कंपाउंड कंटेनिंग sp2 कार्बन एक्स बॉन्ड. अब इसमें दो कैटेगरी, एक विनाइलिक हैलाइड, एक एराइल हैलाइड. व्हाट इज विनाइलिक हैलाइड? मींस हेलोजन एटम अटैच्ड टू sp2 कार्बन एटम ऑफ कार्बन कार्बन डबल बॉन्ड. अगर हेलोजन जो है हमारा वो कार्बन कार्बन डबल बॉन्ड से अटैच्ड है देन इट इज़ कॉल्ड विनाइलिक हैलाइड. और एराइल हैलाइड किसे कहेंगे? व्हेन मींस हेलोजन एटम अटैच्ड टू sp2 कार्बन कार्बन एटम ऑफ द एरोमेटिक रिंग. अगर ये डबल बॉन्ड अटैच जो है वो एरोमेटिक हेलोजन एटम जो अटैच्ड है वो एरोमेटिक रिंग के डबल बॉन्ड से अटैच्ड है तो इसे हम एराइल हैलाइड कहेंगे. I hope you understand what I am trying to say. Next is nomenclature. Okay. Nomenclature में मतलब हमें कंपाउंड दिया उसका नाम क्या होगा. तो सो इन IUPAC we know that the functional group contain least number.